Let's talk about Reddit, Pete.
Yep.
This is a fellow Armenian, Ohanian, that is one of the co-founders of Reddit. Jared Winkleman has told us Reddit made some pretty significant changes that upset a lot of people when they were getting ready to do this IPO. Well, the IPO has gone spectacularly well, but that's not because of what they did. The IPO was priced at 34. It first traded at 47 and now zoomed to the upside. So even if they pissed off a lot of the real active users of Reddit, nonetheless, it's still doing really well in the stock market, which is different than the user side.
You know what else is really exploding for them? Options. People are excited about the fact that the options are already there for Reddit. They get the opportunity to trade through the options. This is a stock that coming out, John, it was a $31, $34 number is what they were looking for. They priced it at 34. It opens at 47. I mean, we're talking about a valuation at one point. It got up to 11 billion. Not so bad. So those that are any part of this whole Reddit are pretty daggone excited, I would say right now. They do have a little bit of a cash burn, and I would like to see some of that profitability come along really rapidly, John, because that's the one thing that I think they still lack is how do they not make money already? They've been around for 19 years. 19 years, you've got to be able to make money. So I think that they will. I think that they'll figure this whole thing out. Where does this stock go from there? Because once this thing becomes profitable, I think that's going to show a lot more to the investors and those option traders that are out there that are going to want to have that leverage to be able to play with inside of this space. So it's going to be interesting. I think we're going to see some huge volumes in the options early, and I think we've already seen a little bit of that, but I think we're going to see even more of that. If I'm involved, John, it'll only be through options.
That's the smart way to play it. For anybody that got in early or got an allocation in the IPO, that means that they own it from 34. Like Pete said, it's more than double. Right now, it's still 69 bucks a share, been as high as 74, almost 75. So you doubled your money. If you got 2,000 shares, that means you put up 68,000, you doubled that. So congratulations to anybody who is part of that cadre of investors. Unfortunately, I didn't get any, Pete.
Me neither. And we had the opportunity and we both blew it. We really blew it.
Well, I should have pulled the trigger. I apologize to my Armenian brother from another mother, Ohanian.